I have to persuade that screw. But there it is. It's in, and then we'll check on this side. And it looks like that lined up pretty well. So now we have the screws in the seat, and we have the entire chair glued up. Now we're going to start setting clamps. Okay, I already made a mess. Come around to the front again and place one clamp in the center between the two spindles. Since these legs are round, the clamp might tend to slip. If it's slipping on you too much, you can come around from the back. And just pull it, not real tight, just enough to get a little squeeze out around here.